So, I've been wanting to try out this for a while. As you can see here in a second, I have a bunch of tractors lined up. I probably didn't get the best choices. These little red sugarcane thingies are a pain in my behiney. But I picked the biggest combines and I could, and I lined them up. I'm gonna try to stop a train. So as my kid says, here goes something. So I did my best putting them on the track, but as you can see, these sugar cane tractors, they're just a mess. The combines did great. So here comes the train. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's beautiful. It didn't even blink. Oh my gosh, the carnage! Look at this! Oh, that's glorious. Okay, take two. I doubled the vehicle count. We have trucks, front loaders, and potato harvesters, all alongside what we had last time. I don't think it's going to do anything, but hey, it's going to be beautiful whatever it is. So I had another issue. These trucks are glitching out. I couldn't get them on the track, so I had to build up the embankment to drive them onto the track, but oh gosh, this camera's so glitchy. Okay, yeah, so this is what it looks like. And I have my train parked all the way down here. Past the store. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's do this. And away she goes. Boy, this thing takes forever to start. Here we go. Ramming speed! Maybe that was a little too early. Now we say, ramming speed! Boom! Oh my gosh! Oh, my frame rate! My poor frame rate! Here's another perspective. Kasploosh! And another. Oh my gosh! Oh, that looks way better than I thought it would. They're just flying like it's nothing. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.